Guys, ganito talaga sa Manila. Pabilisan. So I just came from BGC, tapos dito tayo sa SM Mega Mall sa Ortigas. Kasi we have another meeting late. Sobrang late na. And you know, yeah, on the 4th floor SM Mega Mall. Grabe, ang laki ng mall. And yes, I'm looking for this restaurant. Songyang Restaurant. Sushi bar. Yes. Guys, try the sushi here. Yeah, Sir Jojo po of FWD. One of the most successful life planners sa FWD po. Wala, video lang. Iba vlog ko lang.
Okay.
Send ko na sa Mabuhay.
Share yung story ng media.